Hi, this is Lisa, and this is my secret obsession. Oh, whoa! This is Pop Mart. It's a blind box, so you don't know what's inside. Can I open it? Oh my god, how do you get this? This is really rare and hard to find. Every collection, they have like the rare one. It's really hard to get. We call them secret. So I always wish that I got secret. You can see there's a secret here, right here. I don't think I'm gonna get secret from here. This is so cute. This guy called Dimu. Oh, this guy is so cute. Wait, I want the pink one. Is that pink? Is it pink? No, it was orange. It's cute. So normally I just, get the whole set. So I don't have to being like, oh no, I want the other one, but oh, okay. I'm obsessed.